Okay, we're looking at how to sketch the parabola. Y equals 0.75. We have an x minus 2 squared and a minus 3. So step number 1, as outlined above, we start with the table for the values of y equals x squared. So there you have them. Again, all you're doing is squaring the x terms. Step number 2, you multiply the a value on the y's. In other words, all the y values over here get multiplied by a. And what is a? Well, 0.75. So let's look what happens. So 0 times, I'm going to zoom in here, times 0.75 is just going to be 0 itself. 1 times 0.75 is going to be, well, 0.75 again. And finally, we've got 4 times 0.75. And that is going to give us, well, 0.75 is 3 over 4. Times 4, we get 3. So there's our second step, multiplying the y's by the a value. Next, we add the k values to the y's and the h values to the x's. So again, remember the h value is this guy here. So here is our h. And then here is our y value, okay, which is going to be -3. Sorry, our k value, which is -3. So looking over here, I'm going to have 0 plus 2, zoom in, which gives me a 2. I have 1 plus 2, which gives me a 3. And I have a 2 plus 2, which gives me a 4. And for the y values, what am I doing? I'm subtracting -3. So I have 0, oops, take that out of there. I have 0 minus 3, which gives me -3. I have 0.75 minus 3, which gives me -2.25. And then I have 3 minus 3, which gives me 0. So what are our values? Well, we look at the final values in the last table. So over here, what I'm going to be taking as my x and y coordinates, well, 2 and -3, 3 and -2.25, and then 4 and 0. So those are my x and y coordinates. Let's plot them. My first point, 2, -3. So that is over 2 and down 3. So over 2 and down 3. So there's my first point. My second point is 3, -2.25. And that'll bring me roughly over here. And then I have 4 and 0. So 4 and 0. Okay, so what's my parabola going to look like? Well, we probably need some more points, but we know that, that bottom point there, that's going to be our vertex. So everything is symmetrical around the vertex. So my parabola is going to look something like this. There you have it.